Hey buddies, welcome back again to this another video. So if you're a person who is in Bahrain, I want to share with you some information which is very hard to find, like if you go on Google or YouTube. So if you're an English speaking person, it's always very hard for you. In case you want to apply for a driving license, this is the app you have to download. It's called Mawid. So Mawid app, it looks like that. So what you do, you have to head direct to your Play Store. I've already downloaded the app. So you go to your Play Store. After going to the Play Store, search for Mawid. So this is how it looks like. You can either type Mawid Bahrain. So download that app. You have to be knowing your CPR details, that is the national identification card for Bahrain. So most times you have to know your block number, things like that, because that information is required. Yeah, so this is the app. So after downloading it, go ahead and register. You can see here the process for signing up. So this is the Mawid app. Sign up. You put your CPR number, the CPR expiry date, then the block number. That's the block number I was talking about. So that detail is always on your CPR. Depending on the place where you stay or where you acquired your CPR, always block numbers are around. Then you put it there. For example, it can be 550, something like that. Then use your phone number, then sign up. So after signing up, here you can select the different services you want. So mostly if you are going for driving license, any type of license, could be bike, car, so you have to tap on General Directorate of Traffic. So here you can go ahead to choose the appointment time. So mostly I recommend you to do this one like Saturday night around midnight. That's when you can get more slots. Then you can go ahead to book. Yes, so after booking, you'll get an active ticket. Then you have to follow the time you've been given, reach whatever place. It could be Muharrak or early driving school. Then you go there in time, do the eye test and the other things like that. So inside the app, it looks like this. This is the real app here. So this is the real app. When you open, so after opening, so after opening the app, go ahead and check. So a moment as we wait for it to load. So when you choose General Directorate of Traffic, you can see here you can choose any of these ones. So I'll go ahead with the Mind Driving School. Then here there is a foreign international license approval, issue of a learning license. So you select on issue of a learning license, so you choose. So these are some of the requirements you have to go with. Application: applicant must be 18 years old, a valid ID, a personal photo, like that. So if you have those ones, then go ahead and select the slots. Sorry, there are no available slots for this service. Like today, 4th Feb, there is none. So if you choose 5th, still none. 6th, so you can see here on 6th they have, so you can book any of this one according to your preferred time. So go ahead and book, then you'll be able to get your booklet then and start the driving license process. Thank you for watching, guys. See you in the next video. I'll be giving you different updates about how you can apply step by step so that it is easy for you. See you in the next video. I'll leave you for now. Bye.